Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can withdraw our sweat coins to KuCoin. So for that you need to open up a different app called Sweat Wallet, and you can just download it from Play Store or App Store. And after downloading it, this is how it will look like. So just open it up and wait for it to load, and after it loads, just click here on this button called login with SweatCoin, and then it will fetch all your data from SweatCoin app to this wallet, which is called Sweat Wallet, and just approve this login, and it will fetch all your steps and all your balance of SweatCoin to this wallet. And then you can just simply use that wallet, which is Sweat Wallet, to send all your sweat coins to KuCoin. And make sure that while selecting your address or copying your address on KuCoin, it is of near protocol or near blockchain. Just copy that address and paste it on the SweatCoin wallet, and here you will be able to send your balances of SweatCoin easily. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.